So what a fantastic week here in Latvia, in fact more specifically Jūrmala, in which as NYSA Sweden we've been able to deliver on behalf of Zemgala District Football a high performance camp that has allowed us to work with their age groups 13s, 14s and 15s in a way in which we provide an idea, or at least our version or view of what high performance represents for young people. Now high performance in its context is very much a very straightforward term, but very much nuanced when it comes to young people's understanding of what high performance represents, especially when it comes to its relationship to play and learning and development.
It's been really exciting times. I think day by day kids and players are opening up, they're feeling more friendly. It's not that common that three age groups coming together for one specific camp, and most big thank you goes to the NYSA Sweden and their specialists and their expertise, what we can bring here in Sloka Stadium. So far, all of those 3 days been different from one to another one. Let's say first day players get the introduction what it means, high performance and high performance athleticism, and also how you can be an athlete in high performance. I think they can compare themselves daily, what they are doing, how the future gonna look like for them. So most of the players getting this type of experience for the first time. What's the definition of that? High performance.
Over the past couple of days, we've taken a great group of young Latvian footballers through 2 days which it consists of some high performance testing using some of the state-of-the-art equipment that you might find in the Premier League, doing some jump-based testing, some power profiling, through to some isolated strength-based assessments, looking at their hamstring and groin strength. And then after that, we then jumped them out onto the pitch, and then we've done some running-based assessments to assess their speed profile and then also their change of direction ability.
So for me, testing is a new thing. I've always wanted to experience the testing, like the sprints and the gym work, how strong my feet are, the legs are. And yeah, I really enjoyed the testing. We had coaches like Ben and Connor, which were absolutely wonderful. Really enjoyed working with them together. Also, they taught me new things. What should I improve? What should I do better? And stuff like that. Yeah. I'm very pleased with my experience.
Today, because we collected all of the data, they saw examples how FIFA card might look like from the testing, so that's something different. Interestingly, the comparisons what Connor and Ben did was from under 16 Premier League academies, so they got their own results and they can compare themselves what's really going on in England, how far they are from their development. So I think there are many things, many tangible things and additional value what the boys are bringing home after this camp, not only football-wise what's happening on the pitch, but also outside of that. I think also clubs and parents showing even more interest now what we are doing and how we are developing during through this whole camp. And I think the potential for future events is magnificent. People have to understand what we are doing here and what we are bringing to the Latvian football and to the Latvian stakeholders like municipality, like football federation and football clubs, how we can move forward with this.
As a result of this week, we think that the kids that have come here have had a fantastic time, had a variety of experiences, grown and developed as people, and allowed us to actually grow and develop as people too, as we share this experience with them. Thank you to everybody, including Martins from the Zemgala District Football Federation, for providing us with the opportunity to come here, and we look forward to coming back again soon.
So I've also been to other camps, but not as professional as this one. Yeah, compared to the other camps and this one, this is top level. More staff, more coaches, also different work about teaching, also in the gym, which is a new thing. Yeah, also the pitch, new techniques. I really like that in this camp they allow me to play like myself. It's okay if I make mistakes and stuff like that. Yeah, really, it's a big difference between this camp and the other camps.